Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add scrolling text in Wondershare Filmora. First of all, download and install Filmora on your Windows PC or Mac. Launch the application and click on New Project on the welcome screen. You can also go to File, then click New option to get started. Now go to File. Import media option to bring in your video file user project media folder. Thereafter, drag and drop the file into timeline to get started. Now go to titles option located at the top and on the left panel go to end credits option. You will see various scrolling text effects. Place your mouse pointer on them to check their preview. Once you are satisfied with any scrolling text effects, drag and drop it into timeline above the video clip layer. Adjust the position of the text effect so that it appears on the video as expected. You can stretch the duration of the effect as per your performance. Double click on the text layer on timeline and customize the text and style as you feel. Thereafter, you can click on Advanced button for more customization. Finally, click on OK. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.